This time we're supposed to subtract two complex numbers expressed in polar form. I'm going to subtract these two polar forms by converting them to rectangular form first. So let's talk about the first complex number. I have magnitude, r is equal 15, and angle is equal 38. So if I want to find the real part for my rectangular form, I'm supposed to simply multiply r times cosine theta, which is equal 15 cosine angle 38 degrees. Of course, we talk in terms of degrees. This is equal 11.82. If you want to find the imaginary part, y is supposed to multiply r times sine theta, which is equal 15 sine 38. Okay, this is equal 9.23. Okay, so if you want to write the rectangular form, this is going to equal 11.82 plus j 9.23. Now let me convert this complex number to rectangular form. Okay, so my real part is calculated by multiplying the magnitude of my phasor times cosine theta. So in this case, I'm going to have 10 cosine angle of negative 63 degrees, which is equal 4.54. Okay, and y is equal r times sine theta, which is equal 10 sine negative 63 degrees is equal negative 8.91. So my x plus jy is equal 4.54 minus j, I can say right now, 8.91. Okay, so now I can say that this is equal to my first complex number in polar form is equivalent to this complex number in rectangular form, which is equal 11.82 plus j 9.23 minus open parenthesis, and I have 4.54 minus j 8.91. Okay, so now we're supposed to perform the subtraction. Because I have no sign at the front of the parenthesis, means there is always invisible positive sign, I can remove the parenthesis and I'm going to write that this is 11.82 plus j 9.23 minus, because negative times invisible positive, 4.54, negative times negative gives me positive, plus j 8.91. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. I have 11.82 minus 4.54 plus j 9.23 plus j 8.91. Okay, so if you want to combine these two real numbers, you're supposed to simply perform the subtraction. So I have 12 minus 4 is equal 8, and I have 7 minus 5 is equal 2, and I have 11 minus 4 is equal 7. If I want to add these two, I'm going to have plus j, and I have 3 plus 1 is equal 4, 2 plus 9 is equal 11, that's why I'm going to write 1, and we have 9 plus 8 is equal 17 plus carry of 1, which is equal 18. And I can say this is the solution to my problem.